Most people buy the wrong ink tablet and realize it 3 weeks too late. Don't be that person. If you want real productivity with zero ecosystem,
This is the one tablet you need to know. BOOX Note Air 5C. This isn't just another Kindle competitor. It's an open, Android-powered, work-anywhere digital notebook. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why the BOOX Note Air 5C might be the only tablet you should even consider, especially if your life runs on PDFs, apps, notes, and daily deadlines. Let's set the scene. You've got meetings, documents in every format imaginable, last-minute revisions, and a habit of making handwritten decisions that actually stick. But your old tablet? It can't open half your files, doesn't sync right. Multitasking? Forget it. It's a nightmare. That's the problem the BOOX Note Air 5C solves. This thing is built like a tool, not a toy. 10.3-inch Kaleido 3 color E-Ink display. No glare, no eye strain. Just enough color to help you organize and highlight without the retina burn of a standard screen. Black and white resolution 2480 by 1860 at 300 ppi. Color resolution 1240 by 930 at 150 ppi. Translation: your text is crisp and your color layers are functional, not flashy. Pen input matters. The BOOX stylus delivers 4,096 levels of pressure sensitivity, and it's not just tap and go, it's tuned for real-time feedback, accurate strokes, and intentional input. Whether you're sketching workflows, marking up docs, or brainstorming on the fly, it feels like writing. Now the power user stuff. This isn't your average e-reader. It runs Android 12 with 6 GB of RAM, a powerful octa-core processor, and 64 GB of storage. Need more? Pop in a micro SD card. Need to sync? You've got Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, USB-C with OTG. Yes, it even comes with built-in dual speakers and a microphone. What about speed? It's fast. Document switching? Annotation layers, multitasking, it handles them without freezing, crashing, or begging you to stop. And because it supports third-party Android apps, you're never locked into one ecosystem. OneNote, Drive, Evernote, your tools, your workflow. Let's be real. You're not dealing with one type of file. You've got PDFs, Word docs, spreadsheets, maybe some EPUBs and zips. BOOX gets that. It supports a wide range of formats straight out of the box. Fingerprint unlock? Included. Auto rotation with G-sensor? Included. Adjustable front light? Warm or cool? You guessed it. Battery? 3,700 milliamps. You'll get days, not hours on a single charge. But let's talk limitations. Color e-ink isn't vivid. This isn't an iPad. Colors can look muted, slightly gray, and color resolution is lower than black and white. That's not a defect, it's the trade-off for eye comfort and battery life. The BOOX Note Air 5C isn't trying to replace your laptop, it's replacing the clutter. Your sticky notes, printed docs, scattered journals, and maybe that one dusty tablet in your drawer. It works like paper, acts like a computer, and feels like a productivity secret only a few people know about. If that sounds like the upgrade you've been waiting for, check out the link to the BOOX Note Air 5C in the description below. Compare specs, read reviews, and see if it fits your real workday. Some links are affiliates, so if you buy, I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. It helps the channel and keeps this content coming. Quick recap. BOOX Note Air 5C gives you Android flexibility, full document support, stylus precision, and hardware touches that actually matter. Not for flashy color, but for smart, efficient, eye comfort work. Pick your lane, quiet focus, or full flexibility. And if it's flexibility you need, BOOX Note Air 5C doesn't just fit, it wins.